Hi there, students. Feculent. So I had a request from Virgil Spada to make a video about feculent. Well, feculent is an adjective. It means something that is disgusting. It's something that is horrible. It's filthy. It smells bad. It's dirty. It's foul. And I actually really like this word feculent. Let's see, feculent comes from the word fecal, fecal matter. And fecal matter is shit. Yeah, fecal matter, this comes from the word feces. But feculent, it just says that something is really, really disgusting. It's something that is full of foul, impure matter. It's the dregs, it's the worst of the worst, it's filthy, scummy, it's foul. And I like feculent a lot because I think this is a good word to describe something disgusting without going too far, without going over the top with the word fecal. Fecal means resembling feces, yeah? But feculent, disgusting, horrible, containing dirt, sediment, waste matter. So the feculent stagnant water of the river, clearly people are dumping waste into this river, which means that it is now foul with impurities. It's completely feculent. Yeah, it's absolutely disgusting. And then I think we can use this word feculent to go further. We could use this word feculent metaphorically. So, for example, the feculent world of politics, the feculent acts of a dishonest politician, the feculent manoeuvring of a banker who's avoiding his responsibility. So it's putrid, foul, filthy, rotten, unclean, dishonest. And that's why I like it, because feculent is a great word to say that something is dishonest. Yes, you could have a feculent smell, a disgusting smell. Okay, so feculent. Ugh, it's absolutely disgusting. Okay, so that's why I like it, because I think this is a word that most people are not going to know, but they are going to be able to understand it intuitively. So they're going to get the meaning, although it's not a word that they know. And that's why I like it. I think feculent is a great word to include in one of your essays. It's going to be pretty formal. I think probably something like a 6.5, maybe even a 7. I think 6.5 in formality. Okay, so feculent. It's saying that it resembles fecal matter. Yeah, it looks like shit. I think feculent gives the idea of shitty, not very nice, containing dirt, waste matter. Okay, I was walking over this bog, or this boggy area, and it smelt so feculent. It smelt of just disgusting things. Okay, and this is the idea of something that's feculent. It's dirty, it's unpleasant, it's scummy. Yeah, it's containing waste matter. Yeah, I went into his feculent kitchen, and there was a feculent pile of unwashed dishes that had been there for clearly weeks. The feculent pavements had not been cleaned for weeks. The feculent slums of the city. Okay, the poor people in society very often get to do all of the feculent jobs, all of the unpleasant jobs. The feculent waste waters that come out of the toilet. Ugh. Okay, and this is the idea of feculent. So, as I said, I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. Use it in your essays. It's a great word. So, fecal. Fecal comes from feces, from shit. Yeah, so feculent, shitty. But it's much better than that. It sounds much more interesting. And then this comes from Latin, feculentus, which comes from fiex. Fiex meaning sediment, dregs, the dregs of humanity, the scum, the things that you don't want. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Feculent.